We are going to see some cold weather move through our area, and a lot of people turn to space heaters to take that chill out of the room and warm you up.
Here's the bottom line, though. They can be very dangerous. Nick, 40% of home heating fires are caused by space heaters.
That's a big number.
They are. You know, that's actually why we bought the Dyson. You know, it's the one that it's a little different. You can actually...
Like more enclosed.
Yeah, well, it's just like I should have brought it. It's a big oval. You can actually stick your hand through it because of the safety factor there, but it's very expensive. And, you know, I mean, not everybody can afford it. So if you're on a budget, you still need to be very careful. Consumer Reports put space heaters to the test, and they have the ones that provide both warmth and safety and are good buys as well. If you need a little extra warmth to get you through the winter, consider a space heater. Consumer Reports just tested a variety of shapes and sizes, from personal-sized portable heaters to larger units.
When we test heaters, we check to see how fast they warm a room, and we also check to see how well they spot heat an individual.
This mannequin is equipped with sensors that measure how much warmth a space heater can provide through spot heating. The smaller, personal-sized space heaters struggled in this very important test. Consumer Reports says for a little more money, you can get one that's slightly larger but still very portable. It recommends this $70 one from Comfort Zone. And since space heaters can be a fire hazard, Consumer Reports also looks at how safe each one is. Testers measure the surface temperature of each heater to see if it gets too hot to the touch.
In most cases, the heaters are pretty cool, but if you do have pets or children, stay away from heaters with metal surfaces in large areas that are easy to contact.
This test mimics what would happen if something flammable comes into contact with a space heater.
Always keep your space heater at least 3 feet away from flammable objects, and never use an extension cord.
Consumer Reports says look for a space heater with a tip-over switch that turns the heater off if it's knocked over, and an overheat sensor that shuts off the heater if it gets too hot. The recommended Comfort Zone heater offers those safety features, and if you'd like a larger space heater, so does this LifeSmart for $100. Nikki Kimball. All right, and here's a good tip. If you find any of those at Bed Bath & Beyond, remember they have that 20% off coupon, so it's a good way to save some money there. So keep in mind, larger space heaters don't necessarily offer more heat than some of the smaller ones. However, they're meant to stay in place, so they're a good option as a permanent heater. If you have one in a large room, they're a little more sturdy too. So a lot of times that means that they won't tip over, Bruce and Jen.